Most people believe one thing about money. If I earn more, my problems will disappear. But something strange keeps happening. People making $30,000 a year are struggling. And people making $100,000 a year are also struggling. Different income. Same stress. Same anxiety. Same waiting for payday feeling. So what's really going on? Because clearly, income is not the full story. And once you understand the real reason most people stay broke, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's compare to people. Jake and Marcus. Same age. Same city. Same salary. Both earn $55,000 a year. Both start with almost nothing. At first, their lives look identical. But one small habit changes everything. Jake spends money to upgrade his lifestyle. Marcus spends money to buy freedom. That tiny difference slowly changes their future. And neither of them notices it at first. Jake gets a raise. Immediately, he upgrades his apartment. Then buys a newer phone. Then starts financing a nicer car. At first, it feels amazing. Like success. Like progress. Like he finally made it. But here's the trap nobody warns you about. Every upgrade creates a new monthly payment. And monthly payments quietly steal your future. Because every dollar committed to lifestyle is one less dollar building wealth. Jake feels richer. But mathematically, he's becoming weaker every year. Humans care deeply about status. We want people to think we're successful. That's why people finance cars they can't afford. Buy designer clothes with credit cards. Upgrade phones that already work perfectly. Not because they need those things, but because they want validation. Social media made this even worse. Now people compare their real life to someone else's highlight reel. And slowly, they spend money trying to impress strangers who don't even care. This is how people making good money stay broke forever. Not through one giant mistake, but through hundreds of tiny emotional purchases. Credit cards changed human psychology. When cash leaves your hand, your brain feels pain. But when you tap a card, your brain barely notices. That's dangerous, because now spending feels invisible. You buy dinner, subscriptions, clothes, random online purchases, and your brain says, it's fine, until the bill arrives. Then reality hits all at once. Most people don't realize this, but many are working every month just to pay for things they already forgot buying. That's modern financial slavery. And millions of people are trapped inside it. Marcus looks boring. He doesn't drive the nicest car, doesn't wear luxury brands, doesn't flex online, but every month, he invests $300 automatically. No gambling, no crypto hype, no get rich quick nonsense. Just consistency. At first, nothing exciting happens. His money grows slowly, painfully slowly. But then something incredible begins. Compound growth. His money starts making money. And then that money starts making more money. That's when wealth quietly begins accelerating. 5 years pass. Jake still looks successful. Luxury apartment. Nice car. Weekend spending. Expensive lifestyle. But behind the scenes, he has almost no savings. One emergency could destroy everything. Marcus looks average, but his investments are growing every year. His stress is lower. His future is stronger. And most importantly, he owns assets. That's the difference. Poor people buy liabilities. Wealthy people buy assets. One drains money. The other creates money. The biggest financial mistake people make is increasing lifestyle faster than income. Every raise becomes an excuse to spend more, instead of investing more. That's why some people earn 6 figures and still feel broke. Because income alone never creates wealth. Margin creates wealth. The gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your future. Small gap. Slow future. Big gap. Fast freedom. It's really that simple. But emotionally, most people can't do it. Because delayed gratification feels painful. And instant pleasure feels amazing. even when it destroys the future. 10 years later, Jake still needs every paycheck. His lifestyle expanded with his income, but his freedom never expanded. Marcus is different now. His investments generate income. His savings create security. His stress is lower. And opportunities appear everywhere because money gives options. That's what wealth really is. Options. Freedom. Peace. Not flashy cars. Not fake luxury. Not social media approval. Real wealth is silent. And most people miss it because it doesn't look exciting online. So here's the truth. Most people don't stay broke because they're stupid. They stay broke because modern life is designed to make spending easy and discipline difficult. Advertisements, social media, monthly payments, subscriptions. Everything is competing for your money every single day. And if you don't control your habits, someone else will profit from them. The people who become wealthy are not always smarter. Sometimes they simply learned one skill: controlling themselves. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently. Avoid lifestyle traps. And repeat for years. That simple formula has created more wealth than almost anything else in history. Question is, will you actually follow it? If this video changed the way you think about money, subscribe for more psychology and financial reality videos. Because understanding money might be the most important skill nobody teaches in school.